Hey guys, today we're going to be going over a quick run through on how to make your own custom fish mouth cope on the 32-foot CNC pipe profiler. That being said, the majority of them come pre-programmed for the customer's needs, whether it be roll bars or corral fencing, you name it. So you can make a custom cope and get running on your own in production. Let's get started. So this part here, I'm just exercising the up and down motion of the chuck, and this is so we don't have to have 20 adjustable rollers down the length of the pipe. We can just move this when we change diameter, and I gotta admit it saves quite a bit of time. The next thing coming up is the pneumatic pusher, and it's just so you can throw the pipe on the rollers and then you don't have to shuffle the pipe to the side. You can actually, make the chuck come over to the pipe. It's a lot easier.
So let's go into sheet cam. I already had a little project going. A new job. No. First thing I want to do is open my plugin. And then what I want to do is put in the length. This is 10 feet, so let's go to 3,000 just for a random number to use. Outside diameter I measured to be 89 millimeters. Wall thickness I'm just guessing for. I don't think it's actually 4. It's not going to matter that much. Rotation, header OD, angle. So now this offset, we're going to dial it in right to the edge. We'll go add new joint. Oh no, I'll just go back to this joint. I'm just going to clear it. I just deleted it. So it should just be right on the end. Cope it for 90 degrees. Header 89, outside diameter 89, 4 inch to 4 inch. You can choose your type. You can choose which one you're actually cutting. Switch to 3D. You hold your scroll wheel and you can manipulate the tube. So let's go back to 2D. Add the sheet cam part. So we clicked add to sheet cam part and it populates over here. Now we go operation, plasma cut, select, make sure the layer is selected for the pipe. You might go no offset because it doesn't have a complete loop, so it's going to get confused without that. We'll set it for 3/16 steel, anti-dive, and pierce height could probably be a little lower, so I'll just change that, but could leave it default if needed. Hit OK. So now we can see toolpath, So we're ready to go. So now we'll just go File, Run Post Processor, give it a name, and Cope 90. Save. First thing, power on the main power. Power on your source. I'm not going to for the video. Open the system. Power. You're going to want to home everything, so do the Y and the A first because they don't go for a switch. Do the Z next. I'll push it again. It just touches the top. We're going to home the X, but I'll just drive it over. Once I'm close to the switch, that little orange tab, then I'll hit Home X. Now everything has turned to solid color so we can operate. You'll see that MDI is lit too. Next thing, we want to open the file we just made. Hit OK, just because we're overriding things to run the rotary axis. Now I'm going to drive over towards the end of my pipe. I'm just going to zero it off on the edge of my pipe. Using the page down and the arrow keys, I can go and turn the resolution. That's the edge of my pipe there. I'll go 0, the X, and get ready to run.